In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox while listening to Spotify step by step. First, open Roblox and log into your account. Next, go to the settings menu inside Roblox. Navigate to the privacy section and find the option related to communication or in-game voice chat. Look for the feature called voice chat. Disable this option so Roblox will not use your audio channel during gameplay. After turning off voice chat, close the settings and open any Roblox game you want to play. Now open Spotify on your device and start playing your music. Return to Roblox and continue playing the game normally. With voice chat disabled, your music should continue playing without interruptions.